In this video, I will show you how to use Deepseek AI for free. First, go to Google Chrome and search for Deepseek AI. Click on the first link. Here, select Start Now. You will need to sign up for an account by using Google or via email. Once logged in, you can use Deepseek AI on your phone by scanning the icon on the left. You can also download Deepseek AI Assistant on the Google or Apple Store. Deepseek AI comes with Deep Think function and internet search. The Deep Think function is useful for solving complex problems, and it is recommended to toggle this mode on for it by clicking on it before hitting enter after your prompt. You can see its thought process and how it arrives at the solution to a problem. The internet search is great for finding the latest news such as live matches or events that have happened recently. Make sure to toggle it on by clicking on it before entering your prompt. By leaving both functions off, Deepseek will operate with information up to July 2024 at the time of making this video. Since Deepseek AI is open source, you can run this locally on your computer. To do that, head over to Alima website. Over there, download their installer that is appropriate for your operating system. Once downloaded, follow through with the installation. Once completed, go to the search bar and type Command Prompt. Click on it. Next, type Alima. If you see this on screen, then your installation of Alima is complete. Once that is done, go back to the website and click on Models. Here you will find Deepseek R1. If you don't see that, you can type Deepseek in the search bar to find it. Now click on Deepseek R1. Here you will see various options, ranging from 1.5 billion to 671 billion versions. Most household computers or laptops will have no problem running the 7 billion or 8 billion version. So I recommend the 7 billion one for most casual users. Next, copy the text here. Then, go back to the command prompt and paste it here and hit enter. The auto installation process of Deepseek will start. Wait for the installation to complete. Now you can use it offline by entering your prompts here. Now give it a try and have fun with it. If you need to access Deepseek on your computer again next time, just type in Alima run Deepseek-R1 in your command prompt and you will be able to use it again.